Hello everyone, myself Dr. Neetu Modgil. I am working as an ENT consultant in Hyderabad, India. Today I want to discuss one of the major concerns not only of India but all over the world, that is pediatric kids, children, hearing loss. It's not only a problem, it's a national emergency. Why? Because when a baby is born or develop hearing loss after the birth or born without the hearing, he or she is not only be living with one handicap, that is the hearing loss, you are giving three handicaps to the baby. One, the hearing loss, deaf. Second, the baby will not be able to speak, language develop will not be there, that is dumb. There will not be a brain development in the baby, leading to mental retardation. So a mentally retarded human being who is deaf and dumb is a complete burden not only on the family but for the nation itself. So it's what I'm saying is a national emergency. So most important thing to deal with this emergency is to find out who is having the hearing loss. First, when the baby is born, what is the criteria in our country or developing country is that once their baby is born and once they do not start speaking, they do not develop the speech with time, then they come to the doctor that the baby is not able to speak. And usually this is 3 or 4 years of age when the language development part of the brain will not develop further at all. Now, the emergency, what I am saying is that it should be detected on 3rd day after birth. Within 3 days of birth, the baby is having hearing loss or not, baby is born without hearing apparatus complete development or not. It should be find out on 3rd day after the birth, not on 3rd birthday of the baby. So now, once we know that the baby is having a hearing loss, we have to treat it as early as possible. Reason behind that brain developments of any human being occurs till 3 years of age. 85% of any brain develops by 3 years of age. And for developing the brain, hearing is very important. If the hearing is not present, then brain development will be retarded, patient will be mentally retarded. So 85% of the brain which develops by 3 years of age, and if the baby is spending these 3 crucial years of life without hearing anything, it is irreversible. Even if we are giving the cochlear implant, we are putting hearing aid, we are doing any surgery to correct the hearing loss, it will not treat the mental retardation. It may not bring the language development back to the baby. Baby will be dumb, and whatever sounds he or she will be listening to the what implant we have given to the patient will be a noise for the baby. It will not be pleasant to the baby. So to find out the baby is having hearing loss, I am saying once again is a national emergency. Now again coming to the next point.
Hearing loss, the treatment for this in pediatric age group is authentic and completely available. It's not the time to live with this handicap anymore. There are treatments which 100% treat the hearing. The only problem is finding out, because pediatric age group kids, they do not speak, their speech does not develop. Once they develop the speech, the time is too late. So it's mandatory for every baby who is born, and during the development of the baby, the parents should keep a track if they are listening to the sounds or not. Then once the baby is with us, we treat the baby with the hearing aid, with any surgery, with some small procedure, or maybe the need for the cochlear implant. Before 3 years again is a mandatory period, because once they bring the baby after 3 years, the time gap is too much that we cannot treat the other side effects of it, like language development as well as the mental retardation. So before 3 years, treating the hearing loss, diagnosing the hearing loss, and giving the good life to the baby is in our hands, is in the hands of the government, is in the hands of the ENT doctors, is in the hands of the pediatrics and the patients themselves. Please cooperate with us, and thank you for watching.